pala ang hair ko right now. Medyo green. Faded green. So let's start. So I'm gonna review this HAIRFIX hair coloring shampoo in platinum blonde. ₱69. In instructions, so I'm gonna do it now. So bali pag ilalagay nyo na, basain muna ng konti, slightly wet hair bago nyo i-apply yung shampoo color. After first wash, parang walang effect. So here it is. After natin i-shampoo, at meron akong isa pang ginamit na treatment. Same brand, HAIRFIX Treat lang. Sabi dun sa instructions, after 3 to 4 usage, mas maglalighten pa yung hair. So, as you can see, medyo green-green, diba yung last hair color ko. Ngayon, naging nakagay doon na color is platinum blonde. Maganda siya. But, medyo matigas siya pag after mong banlawan. Kaya naglagay ako nung keratin treatment. HAIRFIX din yun. Papakita ko na lang mamaya yung itsura. Same thing. And malambot siya and mabango. So here is how it looks. Ano lang to, electric fan dryer. So far, parang maganda yung shampoo Mas madali siyang i-apply dahil parang shampoo ka lang maglalagay. Parang one sachet lang yung ginamit ko May pagka-yellow ba. So, and yung keratin is really nice. Pero masyadong mabango. Parang mabango masyado yung maulit kong gagamitin to. Cause it's nice. ₱69 lang pala to Both yung keratin and yung hair coloring shampoo. So, till next time guys, hope you subscribe and see you on my next video. Bye.